Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 6th, 2023. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, July the 5th, 2023. By the way, tomorrow on Friday, we have a speed test, the first Friday of the month. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 3 stars, so one puzzle is left. Yeah, let me pull this up. It's the Tectonic with 1 star. Yeah, 1 star Tectonic. Oh, need to position the camera. Yes, we can start. This one will be number 6712. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits. 19. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. It's indicated with the 1 star. Yeah. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. We don't have here any single boxes here. I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already given, so this box should be a 1. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box, and here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given here, so the 1 and the 2 should be there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 there, so it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. Here, the 1 is already given, so the 2 numbers are left, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5, 4 or a 5. Here, another one contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 1 is already given. This so the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the inside box near the middle box, always 4 or a 5. Okay. We have here in this puzzle quadra boxes. Let me check. For the quadra boxes, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes. Well. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 then. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Yeah, only one we have here. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as and that box. So in this case, it's a 1 there. Okay, it's a 1. More. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. We have two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, these two boxes can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes. That's a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So here can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this area should be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Alright. These two boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. We have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then, okay. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 2. Alright, these 3 boxes can be 2. Those 3 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Alright. Okay. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then these two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 4, so and that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So here can be 4, so the only place left for the 4 in this area should be there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be 2? We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Alright. Hey, 2 and the 4. We already have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 3. Here we have 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here are 2 numbers left in this area for numbers, again, 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left on the 3 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Well, these two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Should be there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here. So this box should be a 4. And 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. And we solved this in 12 minutes. Well. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Friday with the speed test. Until then, bye-bye for now.